In this video, we will see how to use POS module in Erpag. Here we have one standard printer. It is important that you have successfully installed printer and printer drivers. Very important info is that we can print on 80mm paper. Of course, you need to have defined your products and services. Very important to remember is that all products and services that you wish to sell need to have selling price defined. If they don't, then they will not be listed in POS. Let's enter in settings of one of the products. As you can see, we have defined default price. It is the default selling price. We can now proceed to POS receipt. Go to POS and click the new receipt button. POS form has a couple of sections. First one is displays section. Search section for the search of products and choice of way of entering data. Then there is a price list section where all your products and services are listed. Receipt note section. And the last is numeric pad section. In the display block, we can choose the warehouse. Also, we will choose an interface for data input and products preview. There are 3 different interfaces: touch regime, scan regime and type to search regime. In this example, we will see how to work in the search interface. We can start typing in the search box. As we type, the list of items narrows down based on our criteria. It is enough to type part of the name, SKU number or barcode number. You can see that we can search by part of the product name, and as we type the list will be filtered based on entered criteria. Also, we can enter the barcode number, and again we will get a filtered list based on the barcode. The last way of entering search criteria is by product number. Now, when we find desired item, just click the item and it will be selected and inserted in the slip. As you can see, the search list is reset and the item is now in the slip on the right side. If we wish to sell more than one product, then we just need to enter the number of pieces, click star and enter the product. So we now have the quantity of 2 pieces and the item is inserted into the slip. After we have finished with products entry, we can proceed to checkout by clicking the total button. Here we can define the type of payment. The default payment type is by cash, but you can change it to the credit card or check. For example, we can split payment to credit card and cash. As you can see, we just need to enter the amount of money being paid with credit card, and afterwards we need to enter the amount of money being paid using cash. As you click the print button, you will get a receipt preview. When you now click the print button, you will get a browser dialog, and here you can select the proper printer and print receipt. And here it is, your first POS receipt. The application is now ready for the new receipt. In next example, we will show how to use POS and the scan mode. Click the EN/UPC button to switch to barcode scan mode. This mode is very fast and efficient, so we can easily scan products. We are positioned in the text box and application is waiting for barcode input. Now we will simulate a real barcode scan process, by scanning already prepared products. We can see that the barcode has been found, and inserted into the receipt. So in this way, we can scan items very fast. Let's try multiple scanning. By clicking the total button we will get a total amount for paying, and by clicking print we will print this receipt. And now we can print the slip, using the browser print dialog. Next mode in POS is the touch screen mode. In this mode, instead of standard list view of products, you will have a tile generated for each product. Also, all products are grouped in product categories, previously defined under inventory options. Tile's color represents the type of a product. For example, magenta stands for set products. Blue is for standard products. Green represents services. And yellow is for variable products. Variable product is the product that comes in different variations, like color, size, shape. Let's move forward with sales of items. In order to sell some product, you just need to click on the tile representing that product. Same for services. If we wish to enter quantity, just click the number of pieces on numeric keyboard and then select the tile. Now in receipt section, we can see quantity of 3. This mode is intended for usage with POS hardware, like touch screen devices. So, there is no need for the standard keyboard, because you can enter data using only touch screen. Let's move forward with examples. In the next example, we will demonstrate how to work with variable products. When you click the tile, you will get all available variations, as well as filtering options based on the variation type. In the filter, you can select criteria to narrow down the product's listing. Under the color, you have all defined colors for specified variation. As you click the tile, you will add it to the receipt section. Important info regarding tile design is that every tile gives you information regarding the price and available quantity. The selling price represents price, without added tax. Because of that, subtotal under the receipt section is without tax, and the tax is represented in the next row. Of course, total amount represents subtotal amount combined with tax amount. By clicking the total button, again, we get a new screen where we should enter the type of payment. Sometimes, there is a need to change or delete something in the receipt section. In order to do that, go back and click the arrow near to the product or service. Now, you are able to edit the quantity or enter the discount or even delete the item. For example, we will correct the quantity, and as you can see, amount is calculated automatically. The price is one that is defined under the product settings. We can now also enter the discount if necessary, and again, the amount is calculated automatically. Erpag allows you even to change the default price by simply entering a desired price into the price field. If we are finished, we can save changes by clicking the Save button. To delete an item, just click the arrow in front of the item and press the Delete button. If you started to edit some row and you wish to cancel the edit, just click the Cancel button. Let's print this slip. Click Total, enter the amount of money received from the customer and click the Print button. By default, Erpag always generates print preview window. But, if you wish to speed up process, there is a way to disable print preview. First, we will finish this receipt, and then we will demonstrate how to disable preview. So, go to Administration, select the users. Activate the user account. Click the Edit button and under the POS Receipt drop-down menu, select the option Without Preview. Now, save the change and close all open documents. Go to POS, and select the new receipt. Just sell some item, click the total and then print. By clicking the print button, Erpag skips the preview window and the browser print dialog is started. And, in this case, the operator needs just to check the default printing device and click print. Using the POS module, we can also print the invoice to the known customer or company. Go to More button, and select the customer. Now we can see a search box where we can type to search desired customer. Next, select some product. This product has serial number tracking defined in product settings, so we must enter the serial number. Press the total button and under the types of payment fill the checks field. We presume that all amount will be paid with checks. Click the print button and print the receipt. Now on this slip, we will see a customer name. You can also print a standard invoice to some company, based on already created POS receipt. Go to POS and select the retail invoice list. Here you can see all issued receipts. We will select this one in order to print the invoice. Under the section Customer, We can check the customer name, and now we just need to click the print button. As you can see, now, we have generated a standard invoice which we can print or send via email or convert it to PDF. Also we can print a copy of receipt note. To do that, just click the print the receipt copy button, and you can print the copy of slip. Hope that we have helped you with learning Erpag POS module. That would be all. Thank you, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel for updates.